So, she wants her fatty. Mia wants her fatty. And he's staying just out of reach.
He knows about it.
He's quite aware of the reaches. Now she's a little distracted with the mirror on her toy. She's got him in sight, though. You figure how you're going to get that fatty? I'm trying to figure it out. She's trying to push forward to get closer to him. Here, maybe we'll just push you to the side here, and you can go right next to the fatty. Oh, there's a fatty tail.
Oh, the fatty tail.
I think she's going to get to it. Oh, she almost got it.
Oh, no, fatty, run. Oh, no.
Oh, she's pulling his tail.
Go to the other side to shoot from.
Wait, no,
She's passing him.
I don't know what to do. There's a fatty tail. You gonna let that fatty tail go, huh? You gonna let that fatty tail go? How could you do that?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, mom's setting the fatty up.
More fatty tail. More fatty tail. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right. Zero in on the fatty tail. There it is. Oh, look at this. Look at that fatty. Look at him. Get the tail. Come on.
You can do it. You know what
Fatty.
it is. You know what it is. You know when she pulls out fatty.
She already did.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh. She got it. Got it.
Right there.
She got a grip. She got the fatty tail.
Oh,
Don't eat the fatty tail. The fatty tail's dirty.
He's very patient.
Fatty, you were almost dinner. You were almost dinner.
His face is like.
So I'll get him.